We're recording. See the feeties? Hands. We just had some breakfast, right? And Olive's drunk on booby milk. Such a pretty girl. Such a pretty girl. Hi, everybody. Hi. Somebody teach my mommy how to upload video to YouTube. I wish she knew how to do that, 'cause my family really would like to see me. I'm Olive Violet Gardini. Word. It's being so good. Of course I'm being good, Mama. Woo! I'm amazing. Such a pretty girl. Such a pretty girl. What are you looking at? What are you looking at? Are you gonna take a poop? Are you making a poop? Are you pooping? Where's Daddy? Daddy getting artsy? Working on a piece, trying to get us a flat screen TV? That's the mission. Not that that's important, but we deserve it, right? I agree. How does that hand taste? Does that taste good? Huh? Kind of look like Robert right there. It's weird. Bump 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 bump. Oop! I almost poked you in the eye. Say, stop that, Mama. Stop that. Do 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 do. Cute little feeties.